Hi, and welcome to Bee's Adventures, where we travel the world together. I'm Bee, and today we're going to talk about flying helicopters and careers in Canada. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Safety. Land. Weather. Skills.
I traveled to Canada recently and met Marilyn, a pilot who flies helicopters.
Hi, I've been flying helicopters since I started my career after college. I love being a pilot.
Wow, how exciting! Marilyn told me about her first experiences with helicopters.
When I began flying, I attended a special school to learn the skills. It took a lot of work.
Marilyn also explained how she earned her pilot certificate. She is very determined.
I made so many mistakes when I was learning to land. It's harder than it looks.
It sounds challenging but rewarding. Marilyn has now flown across many continents.
Yes, I've flown in Canada, Europe, and more. I love seeing the land from above.
Amazing! She said pilots have to review all details about the flight before starting.
We check the weather, flight paths, and the helicopter itself. Safety is so important.
After hearing Marilyn's story, I think pilots are some of the bravest travelers in the world. Thanks for listening to Bee's Adventures. See you soon.